Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily disable text notifications on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Also write your comments at the end of the video and be sure to put your likes. And let's you and I get down to this topic. And let's say, if you'd like to turn off text message notifications on your iPhone because say, they're bothering you or distracting you, I'll show you how to do that. So, to do this, open your phone settings on your iPhone. Next, go to the Notifications section. Scroll down here and find the Messages app. Open it up. And option 1 of how you can turn off your text notifications is to turn them off completely so they don't come to you at all. To do that, you'll need to turn off all notifications like this by pressing the top button. So you won't be bothered by any text message notifications, but you will be able to go to the messaging app and see all the messages that you receive. If you do want to be notified of text messages, but say you don't want to be distracted by them, then I recommend that you mute them. To do this, go to the Sound section and here select Mute. So now notifications will now not make a sound when any messages go through. This is the way, friends, you'll be able to turn off text notification on your iPhone. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and that it was useful to you. Please put your likes, write your comments, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.